What foods to avoid after angioplasty? Please avoid any fatty foods, processed foods, frozen foods, and very importantly, red meat. Because red meat has a lot of fats and bad fats that we call LDL. Hi friends, today let's talk about a very common question. What foods to avoid after angioplasty? So in angioplasty, you have a new stent placed in your heart, which is helping to establish the blood flow. How to make sure this stent is long lasting and you have a healthy life after angioplasty? Diet is one of the most common factors that people can go wrong with, and not paying attention to your diet after angioplasty may lead to adverse outcomes. So my friends, the first and foremost thing before we understand what to avoid in angioplasty is to know what was the blockage actually made up of. The blockage that your doctor cleared with angioplasty, it was made up of fat or cholesterol, right? So the foods that are high in cholesterol, which is basically oils, fats, red meat, processed foods, all of these foods have a high amount of cholesterol. And if you have had angioplasty or you're going to get angioplasty, you're well aware that your doctor is also prescribing you cholesterol medications or statins. We are doing all of this to make sure that the cholesterol level is really low. So my friends, for angioplasty to work and for the medications to work, it is important that the intake of cholesterol is low. So please avoid any fatty foods, processed foods, frozen foods, and very importantly, red meat, because red meat has a lot of fats and bad fats that we call LDL. So please avoid this. The other thing I want you to avoid is a low fiber diet. Foods that are processed like pastas or frozen foods or just high carbohydrate foods, processed carbohydrates, they don't have any fiber in them. And fiber is extremely important, not just for your gut health, but for your cardiac health. So take a high fiber diet, which means fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, and foods that are not frozen, something that you bring directly from farm to table. So please take low fat foods, high fiber foods, and take as much of plant-based foods as you can, because plant-based foods have high bioavailability of nutrients, and therefore high plant-based diet has been shown in many studies to have great cardiac outcomes. My friends, a lot of people ask me all the time, doctor, how will I get my protein intake from plants? So the reality is that the plant protein, there are multiple sources. They have beans, legumes, lentils, cheese, and so on. And especially compared to animal protein, plant protein has much higher bioavailability. So even if the amount of protein is less, your body absorbs the plant protein much better. So a high protein plant-based diet is extremely important as well. And as a last thing I will say, please take a low sodium diet. These days, canned foods, canned beans, soups, broths, all of them have a lot of sodium in them. Sodium causes water retention, and water retention causes high blood pressure. High blood pressure is bad for your heart. It puts a lot of stress on your heart. So a low sodium diet, less than 2 grams of sodium in 24 hours is extremely beneficial for you. So my friends, I hope that you will be able to incorporate these changes in your diet. And if you have any other questions for me, please feel free to comment. Thank you.